Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 30, that is hydrocarbons. Students, in this chapter, that is hydrocarbon, we will discuss basically about what are hydrocarbons. After that, we will see the classification of hydrocarbons, and after that, we will discuss about the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, in which we will discuss about alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, their physical properties, their chemical properties, and also about the nomenclature. So students, let us start with the chapter that is hydrocarbons. Students, talking about hydrocarbons, so hydrocarbon is defined as the compounds having carbon and hydrogen in their skeleton. Okay. Students, hydrocarbons play a key role in our daily life. You are well known with some compounds like LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, CNG, that is compressed natural gas, gasolines, kerosene, diesel. So they all are obtained by fractional distillation of petroleum found under the earth crust. Students, petroleum deposits are usually covered with a gaseous mixture that is called natural gas, and it mainly consists of methane, that is CH4, which is a hydrocarbon, and with decreasing quantity of ethane, C2H6, that is also a hydrocarbon, and the vapors of low boiling pentane. Okay, that is also another hydrocarbon. So that's why hydrocarbons study is very important. Now students, let's talk about the classification of hydrocarbons. So students, on the basis of structure, hydrocarbons can be broadly divided into two types. You have studied their classification in 10th class also. You have studied that hydrocarbons may be saturated one and it may be unsaturated one. Okay. So saturated hydrocarbons are those where there is presence of single bond, and unsaturated having multiple bonds. Okay. Students, here in first year you will discuss about the two type of classification. The very first, which is based on the structure, that whether the compound is acyclic or you can say open chain hydrocarbon, and you will discuss about the second classification where you will see cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons. So students, talking about acyclic or open chain hydrocarbons, then in case of acyclic, that is compounds without cycle, there is no cycle, that is the compounds are open chain, they are called as acyclic or you can say open chain compound. They are also called as aliphatic hydrocarbons also, and these are alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Students, what are alkanes? So an alkane has only carbon-carbon single bond. Okay. So in whatever compound you are considering, if there is a carbon-carbon single bond, then these are alkanes. And if suppose we are considering a compound, here you can see this is ethane. So as you can see, there is carbon-carbon single bond. So this is alkane. For alkene students, there will be a double bond between carbon and carbon atom. Okay. So suppose we are considering another compound, that is ethene. So this is an example of alkene. Now students, suppose there is a presence of triple bond between two carbon, then this is considered as alkyne. Okay, this is considered as alkyne, and this is an example of ethyne. Okay. So students, now let's talk about the cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbon. So these compounds contain closed chain, basic, there will be a ring. Okay, and they are further classified as alicyclic and aromatic. So what are alicyclic? We have also discussed earlier in chapter 12, that is the compounds, they are basically similar to aliphatic, but they have ring. Okay, a ring of 3-member carbon atom, and their properties are similar to the aliphatic hydrocarbons. Likewise, you can see here the cycloalkanes like cyclopropane. And now let's talk about the aromatic hydrocarbon. So students, talking about aromatic hydrocarbon, you can see here these hydrocarbons and their alkyl or you can say alkynyl or alkynyl derivative contain one or more benzene ring. So in any structure of compound, when you will see a benzene ring, this is called as benzene ring. So they are termed as aromatic hydrocarbon. There may be 2 benzene ring, there may be 3 benzene ring, depending on the presence of benzene ring, they are called as aromatic hydrocarbon. So broadly we have discussed that hydrocarbons are classified into two. One is acyclic or open chain, second is cyclic. When we are going to study acyclic, they are further divided into saturated, that is alkanes, and unsaturated, that is alkenes and alkynes. And talking about cyclic hydrocarbons, so they may be alicyclic, that are resemblance to aliphatic, and they may be aromatic. Talking about alicyclic, so they are further saturated and unsaturated. So for saturated, these are cycloalkanes, simply like this. This is cyclopropane, this is cyclobutane. And talking about the unsaturated one, so they are cycloalkenes. So suppose we are taking this compound, so this is cyclopropene, and they may be cycloalkynes. So suppose we are considering this compound, so this is cyclopropyne. So this is all about the classification of hydrocarbons and what are hydrocarbons. In our next lecture, we will discuss about alkanes, about their nomenclature, their preparation, etc. Thank you, class.